75 districts in 22 states have been placed under complete lockdown, which means all but essential services will ply there from 6 a.m. 23rd March to midnight 31st March. In a nutshell, the services that are available in lockdown places are groceries, fruits and vegetable shops, hospitals and pharmacies, milk supply booths, cooking gas supplies, telecom services, food home delivery, e-commerce, banks and ATMs, and limited public transport. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation said domestic flights in and out of Delhi will remain operational during the period of lockdown. Earlier, the Delhi government had imposed complete lockdown, including the operation of flights. The Delhi government has suspended interstate bus transport, but aviation is a centre subject. Prime Minister Modi took to Twitter to urge the public to take the lockdown in 75 districts where COVID-19 infected patients and fatalities were reported seriously. He asked people to follow orders and restrictions to keep themselves and their families safe. The benchmark equity indices on the BSE and National Stock Exchange slipped to their respective 10% lower end during the morning trade on Monday, triggering a circuit breaker. Following that, trade had been suspended for 45 minutes. 93 people in Gujarat flouted home quarantine self-isolation in the past 10 days, even as Gujarat recorded its first death due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Police filed around 10 FIRs against such people and forced dozens of them to stay indoors. Dettol was dragged to court by Hindustan Unilever for its advertisements that promoted liquid hand wash over cake soaps at a time people are being encouraged to follow hand hygiene due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Reckitt Benckiser, that produces Dettol hand wash, has agreed to suspend the ads. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe said that postponing the Tokyo Olympics may be inevitable as pressure grows from athletes and sports bodies. The 2020 Games were scheduled to open on July 24th. Athletes training across the world have been thrown into turmoil, and qualifiers have also been cancelled due to the COVID-19 outbreak. German Chancellor Angela Merkel went into home quarantine immediately after a doctor who gave her a vaccination on Friday tested positive for coronavirus. The Chancellor will continuously be tested for coronavirus because a test at this early stage would not be reliable.